I'm gonna be here a while.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, today we're playing Microwave Dinner. Finally, we're finishing up this world. Can't wait for World 2. I'm sorry it took so long. There were other things I wanted to do inside the volcano. This doesn't look like a normal volcano. Oh god, this is gonna be difficult. I wonder what the final world will be. I wonder what World 2 will be like if this is World 1. Probably gonna introduce some new ability. Which actually, that'd be kind of cool. I hope they introduce a new ability in World 2. Like, basically, it has you master an ability you're given in each world, and, like, it would be interesting to have the final world, like, you use the mastery of all your abilities to complete the final level. Wow, the first level with a threat other than falling. These lava pillars are here. Ooh, hat ticket. Oh god. Oh, phew. No! No. Wait, what? Oh. Shoot! I'm gonna be here a while. Yes! I made that jump! Now let's not mess up this last jump. Yes, I don't think I need to make it back across, though. Oh, are you kidding me? That was a checkpoint! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yes! I made it here. Oh god, is this a boss fight? Oh my god, I think that's a boss fight. Looks like a microwave dinner must have gotten stuck in the volcano's stabilizer. No wonder the lava was so wild. Wait, what? It cannot be this easy. It was that easy. I'm disappointed that that wasn't a boss. So I have some hat tickets I needed to redeem. So okay, some is a bit of an understatement. I got the headphones hat. Congratulations. Nurse hat. Phew, it's not a Red Cross. That they could get in trouble for having a Red Cross. Mostly because Red Cross doesn't want to be associated with violence, which is completely reasonable. Don't have your company in video games. But then there's some video games that, like, why can't they associate with that? Like Animal Crossing. Speaking of Animal Crossing is a wholesome game. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Well, I'll see you all again in this game once World 2 comes out.